First of all, if you see our development, we have the 140th anniversary, so it's something to celebrate. And with our significant expansion of racing turnover coming from overseas, we think we have to give back not only to Hong Kong what we do with our not-for-profit model, but we want to make contribution in a way to the global philanthropy sector. And it is about information sharing. It's about sharing in a way how we look at social impact. And that's why we thought it's the ideal opportunity to combine the 140th anniversary and in a way to have a philanthropy conference.
Jockey Club returned $5.1 billion in tax as well as charity donations, and that was a record high, also an 11% increase on year. What is being planned for the coming year, and can this growth be sustained?
We definitely see currently a little bit of challenging economy, so I think we believe that we will probably plateau currently at this level. But it doesn't mean in a way that in the philanthropy sector we can do more. Because we have, in a way, with all the strategies we have placed in Hong Kong, we feel, especially with the Institute of Philanthropy, who enables us to reach out beside Hong Kong, that it is important, especially in times which are challenging, that we give more back to the community. And we have extremely good feedback about the philanthropy conference yesterday. So we hope to achieve that the Asian perspective of philanthropy will come into the perspective of discussing philanthropy work around the world, because Asia is nascent in the development. 40% of the philanthropy organization has been founded only after 2000. You see the wealth accumulation in Asia, and therefore we think that's the ideal time to connect more globally.
Local racing turnover was down 9% last year. What was the cause of the decline, and what is the outlook for this year?
First of all, if one looks at what I call long pandemic, we had the number of horses decreased because people could not replenish horses. So we had a field size issue, which has an impact. Then definitely the economy. We have 20% of our customers responsible for 40% of the turnover, and they are in financial markets, China business, and therefore naturally, and property, naturally that had an impact. We see that with the start of the season, we see that the local horse racing turnover has come back. We are optimistic that our growth internationally will further continue. If one looks at the figures yesterday, we had a 5% increase of the local turnover, but we had a 19% increase of the overseas turnover. So the globalization of Hong Kong racing as one of the leading horse racing wagering products in the world has definitely more potential of upside.